Hello, it's EK from EK Gorman Designs, and I am coming in because it is time for another unboxing of a White Rose Crafts subscription kit. This is back to the regular subscription kits. This is the November A Merry Little Christmas subscription kit, and it's perfect for the holidays for anybody looking for some easy one-step crafting to go along with their holiday card making. It is jammed packed, and it's got I'm really excited. It's got some fun things inside of it. But let's get started with the paper. It starts off with some metallics, cardstock. If you've never used this, this is just brilliant for die cutting and matting, and it's got a metallic finish, and it's a wee bit shiny. You get a bunch of double-sided, holiday-themed printed papers, which, since it's double-sided, now I'm going to have to hoard the papers, because that's what I do when it's double-sided, and I don't know which side I want to use, and choices have to be made. But I really like that it's kind of a collection of traditional looking Christmas and then some really fun animated, like, kitty's the wrong word, but it's 12 pieces of double-sided cardstock, and it's, again, like slightly animated to more mature holiday themes. So you can get a little bit of everything done. Next in the kit we have a Craft Creations 3D decoupage set. All of this punches out and becomes a three-dimensional piece. We've got a stamp set from Dove Crafts. We have 3 holiday-themed wood frames, and I've got them on the wrong side, but they're, again, just a really cool little wooden frame that you can use to emphasize another image. We've got a bunch of little wood pieces which accent projects really, really nicely. I've used these before. I really like them. You can color them up with distress, you can color them up with paint, and they pop really nicely on your projects. We have some reindeer themed ribbon. I don't know. I think this is ridiculous, and at the same time, I think it will look really awesome on the projects. We have a full die cutting set. It is I can't get it out. This packaging is always hard to get out. But it's a full reindeer and Christmas tree, and yeah, if you know anything about dies, you know that having this in the kit is huge because it's a big deal. This is tissue paper. It's holiday themed tissue paper. If you do mixed media projects, this will be awesome for you because it glues beautifully onto a canvas. I'm really looking forward to experimenting with it with cards. And then you also get some holiday gems. The big surprise is White Rose Crafts have just started carrying the Nouveau alcohol markers. I can't think of what they're actually called, but you get a collection of 3 reds in this kit, and I've never used these. I'm really excited to kind of experiment and play with them, and I thought I'd kind of just do a little test sample of them right here. There's a weird little sticker on it, so when you pop the cap, so I left the sticker. I just moved the sticker down so I could see from the side what color it was. I'm, like I said, really excited to kind of play with these because I've never played with them. I think anybody who's ever watched my videos knows I'm a Copic colorer. I've used the Spectrum Noir before and graduated from them pretty quickly just because they weren't going to do what I wanted them to do coloring. But I hear the Nouveau ones, while not having a brush nib, will color. It's probably the closest you can get to Copic in terms of its blendability and its function, but it doesn't have the price tag that a Copic does. So here's a first blend. Sorry that you're having to see my face sneak into the frame. I'm using the chisel edge here to blend it for the first time. And I'm going to flip it around and actually do it again with the bullet end. And with the bullet end, I really got a nice blend. So I'm going to have to pull out some stamps and color with it and see what effects I can get. But there you go. That's everything in the November A Merry Little Christmas kit. I'm really excited to get this out and get playing. So make sure you tune back in because my 5 Fast Card series is about to begin. Let me know in the comments below which crafting supplies you're most excited to see me play with, and maybe I'll really feature them in one of my cards. Until then, happy crafting!